So hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will try to make this part by using the surface design tools in Catia. So one of our subscriber has asked about making this video. That's why I'm doing now. So it may seems like a little complex part, okay. But when it is talking with respect to surface design, which is a very simple one, okay. We can first see the process plan will be the 4 steps only, okay. In the first step, what I do, I will develop this outer shell surface, okay, and then I will develop the inner surface, inner body thing, okay. So then after we will close body it. That's it. In the four steps, 4 easy steps, we will complete it, okay. So without wasting time, let's get started. Go to software. Since we want to use surface design, go to shape, generator shape design, give a part name, click on OK. Okay. Next, see, let's try to, okay, first let's create a one point at origin by keeping the x, y, z components as zeros. Click on OK. Okay, click on the position sketch, select the front plane, choose the projection point as this. Make sure these axes are aligned properly. Click on OK. First, let me take one line and give in dimensions in order to adjust the scale. Okay. So this is the length that is given right here. Okay. We will start from here. Select the profile tool. So I have a profile like this. Okay. Discontinue. Right from here to here. I think I have a profile like this. Okay. Let's give the dimensions. We will adjust everything later. So the diameter is 50, that's fine, and this is 40. Enter, and make sure this end point is coinciding with this one. Right click, vertical. Okay, now 2 arcs I need. Go to 3-point arc. First point, second point like this, and one more arc. Sorry, first point, second point, like this. Make sure here is the tangent continuity. What is the radius of this arc? Not 2. Okay. Now what is the radius of this arc? It is 98. Make sure these two curves having tangent continuity. Okay. So here it is not tangency. So how can we fix that? Okay, let it be now. We will fix later. So now the overall diameter 179. 179 divided by 2 is fine. Now only thing we have to fix this. Relevant to that, there is no any proper dimension given. Okay, 343.45. Here we have one fillet. What is the length? 27. This is a fillet value 27, enter. Now this line length is given, that's why I have given fillet now, so which is 343.5. Okay, I can't give it now. See, one more thing, this solid is not rectangular one, so I'm doing the sketch to use revolve tool, so in that way I cannot achieve this rectangle block or flange, right? So that's why I'm removing this one, so we will add it later part of this video. Okay, set this point and this coincidence, what is it, dia, which is 100, right? So now the length, so I'm taking from here to here, right? 2 mm thickness, okay, 96, 98, 100, then it is more than 100. Okay, okay, this profile 100, that is fine, and from here to here 10, and from here to here 25, and from here to here which is 38. 10 plus 25 plus 38, so 10 plus 25 plus 38, and okay, now the sketch you can see which is fully constrained, but this circle seems like not correct, so this value I have to change it, right? 343.5, 343.5, enter. Now it is okay. This arc is also got adjusted, right? So okay, everything, my way sketch is fully constrained. You can check it from sketch solving status, ISO constraint. Okay, exit, use the revolve tool. So it is not a part design revolve, so part design revolve requires close sketch, but we are in the surface design, we can use the open profiles also. Okay, now it is forming like this, it is because the revolution axis, it is taken by defaultly, so we have to change it. Select this and choose this as your revolution axis, click on preview. See, you are getting half only, right? I want full, so let's change this value 360, click on OK. Let's hide this sketch, right? So these are first one, so let's rename this geometrical set number as outer shell. Fine. Okay, what I'm doing, I can give the 2 mm thickness, okay, but I want to give it later, so I will complete the inner shell also, inner bottle also. Click on the geometrical set, add a new geometrical set, inner bottle or something, whatever you want, you can give that names. Okay, let's develop that. Hide this outer shell, and you need to have a point here, right? Okay, I have a point here, that's fine. Now use the position sketch again, select the front plane and choose the projection point, select this point, click on OK. Okay, now we will create the inner one. So let's see about the dimensions. Select one line, give the dimension, the overall dimension, how much it is, 473, 473, enter. Next, select line tool. Okay. Again to marks we need to dollar. Okay, set the 3-point arc like this. One more, and make sure these two tangents are relation. Okay, so what is the diameter of this one? Diameter which is given 123, 123 divided by 2, enter. Okay, make sure this line is vertical. That's fine. So since it is a outer shell, so 96 is the value here. 96 divided by 2, 79, 73, 79, enter. 73, enter. What is this length? 134.95, 134.95, enter. Okay, I think we have to close this. Select the line command, select this. Okay, we have to give one fillet here also. What is the value? 35.5. Double click, 35.5, enter. Anything else? Yeah, okay. Exit and choose the revolve tool again. See, it is showing there is no any axis, so select the revolution axis as this. Okay, click on OK. Hide the sketch. Now hide the outer shell also. Okay, so let's section it. I can see that, right? Hide the outer shell. Now we have to do something. You can see the holes, right? So there is a one project given that enrollment of 7 holes, okay, at an angle of 30 degrees. So how can we achieve that? Okay, let's do that. So click on the position sketch again and select the front plane and choose projection point as this point. Click on OK. So okay, let's take one. Yeah, let's take one line, a reference line like this. 30 degrees is already given, right? Okay, now from this point 185, from this edge 185, enter. Okay, so first we need to have one circle here, but okay, one more dimension we need, but it is not given. So let's consider it as 35 and select one circle. So normal view. What is the radius or diameter of the circle? Which is 25. Enter. Now I want 6 more instances here, right? Okay, you can count them also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only you need. So select the translate option, okay, which is rotated right here, and take this duplicate mode. I want 6 instances. Okay, but before that you have to select this entity and choose the translate. I want 6 instances. Add this as a base. What is the length? Okay, I can keep like this. Okay, so tap on that. So Control D, select this entity, use the translation, and choose this as a base point. Okay, so how can we lock this? Okay, 6 instances we need at a gap of 50 mm, right? So 50, sorry, 50 snap mode. Yeah, the 50 it is reached now. Now exit. So what you do now? Okay, we will project it. Okay, support is this preview. Okay, close, untick this, click on preview. Still it is not showing. Okay, okay, uh, let's how many instances we got? Yeah, 7 instances we got. So now we try again. Projection on this support, click on preview. It is not working. Untick this, preview. Again it is not working. That means we have done something wrong at. Okay, let's change this value 40. Okay, now exit. I think this is a plane that we have. Okay, so we will create one plane at very far from this front plane. Click on OK. Now I am changing this sketch support to this. Okay, click on OK. Now use the projection, set the sketch, set the support, click on preview. See preview. Select the nearest. See, I'm getting something. So this is the thing, we have to work upon it. Okay. So how can I achieve that? Let me think for a minute, guys. Yeah, I got a solution, guys. So instead of taking a circles here, so what I'm doing, I'm just taking points here. So make everything as construction. So this okay. This also. Okay, now you have points, right? So now exit. Project these points on this support. Project points are selected. Select the support. Click on preview. See, even though you have selected only one, okay. So this. Now you have a number of points, right? So this is okay. Click on OK. So we will extract them. Whatever the things we need, we will only extract them. So I want to only these, okay, elements to extract. I want this, this, this. And one more is this. Okay. Click on OK. So one more point you have selected here also. So let's remove that. Okay. Now it is okay, right? Sorry, what is your extract? Projected one is this. Delete this projection also. Use the projection option. Set this point or the sketch and support this preview. So we will take few more points like this way. Preview. Okay. Now hide the sketch. You have points on the surface, right? So what we do now, we directly select this sphere option and select this point. What is the radius of that one? 25, right? So 25. Preview. That's fine. Okay, at a time we can only create one only. So like this way. Let me create a few other also. Okay. At this point, click on OK. Sphere. Full sphere. At this point, click on OK. Sphere. Okay. Full sphere. Or else what you can do is Ctrl Z. You can use the user pattern, right? So select the sphere and positions. You can choose the sketch. Okay, multiple things. I think you can select it. Okay. So, okay, it is not possible. Okay, not an issue. We will take like this. So double click to keep it active. Set the sphere. Set the point. Okay. Set the sphere. Set the point. Click on OK. Set the sphere, set the point. Okay, sphere, point, sorry, point. Okay, now what we have to do, we can do circular command, circular pattern, right? So I want this objects to pattern. I want this object also. Okay, select these all first and use a rectangular pattern surface feature is not allowed. Okay, it is showing. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, we will do it. Okay, but not now, we will do it, that's not a big deal. Okay, let's do what is the thickness which is given right here, which is 2 mm thickness only. So how can we do that? So go to part design and choose the first body. So before that, add a body and rename it as outer shell, enter, and add a one more geometrical set, sorry, one more body, rename it as inner bottle. Okay, now define this outer shell. Okay, now use the thickness option, select this, click the arrow innerwards and 2 mm as thickness, preview. Okay, okay, this is okay. Now inner bottle, so let's hide this outer shell. We have this, right? So what we do, select the thickness, select this 2 mm, preview. Okay, sorry, control Z. So define this in inner body and use the thickness opposite direction. Okay, now you have two solid bodies, right? So let's section it. See, that is okay. Next, what is the thing that is left means, so go to outer shell, define it. Here what I want to do is I want to add the shell. Okay, select the position sketch, go to surface design, okay, position sketch, select this plane, choose projection point as this towards edge, click on OK. You need one rectangle, sorry, square, and 170 is 175 is the side length. Double click 175, enter, and second side also will be the same, double click, equals, set this dimension, click on OK. What is the fillet value? Let's speed up this, 25. Okay, now one more thing I want to, exit. Okay, wait, double click, make the circles, 4 circles we need, right? What is the value of this one? 25 R25 diameter, radius, okay, radius 25, enter. Sorry, 26 only, that is also diameter, 26, enter. Now double click, select this, double click, equals, okay, equals what it is showing, equals, okay, 25, 26, 26, enter. Double click, 26, enter. Double click, 26, enter. Now exit. What we do, we will I think we can use the fill tool preview, but the inner segments is going outwards. Okay, I made a mistake again. Okay, I was supposed to draw this plane up to 10 mm, right? So let's theta on plane to 10 degree, 10 distance, click on OK and choose the sketch, right click and change sketch support and choose a new plane, click on OK. And that too, I don't want this inner circles. Okay, let's delete them. We'll do one part level, exit, use the fill command to fill up this, click on OK. Next, go to part design, choose the thickness, okay, but before that we have to add one body. Okay, body is already added, I think. Okay, rename it as flange, enter. And thickness, what is the thickness? 25, right? Preview, reverse direction, preview, okay. Okay, so we have to add this flange to this outer shell, right? So let's define this outer shell. So let's use a boolean command, so union trim. So faces to remove, I'm choosing this face, preview, okay, right? So this is how you can achieve that inner shell. So let's hide this. So we have completed this up to this. So let's talk about this inner profile. So we have geometrical set for that, right? Expand this. Okay, this is the one. So what I do, I'll just close volume this. Okay, hide this. Sorry, Control Z, Control Z. So close body, you have done in a wrong body. So okay, what we can do, so cutouts, let's add a one more body with a name, cutouts. Okay, in this cutout we will use this close body. Okay, after that you can hide the surface. Okay, you have this one. Similarly, you have to do up to 5 as a close body. Set this. Okay, hide this. set the close body, set this, okay, close body, set this, okay, close body, okay, hide all this surfaces. Now what you do, you know it, right? So select the inner body and define it and choose this remove, preview. See, something got wrong. I think this diameter is not correct, that's why it is being like this. So what we do, let it be. So we can change it right from here also. So let's keep it as 10. Yeah, it is okay, right? So now what we do, we will simply use, we can, okay, control Z. Okay, I want to use these cutouts. Okay, I want to use circular pattern. Okay, but before that I want to select this, select all these, use a circular pattern. The selected feature cannot be moved to the current body. Okay, define it. Okay, now circular pattern, select all these bodies and choose a, okay, 6 instances and the pulling direction. You can choose y-axis, preview, complete chrome, preview. Okay, okay, now inner model, define it and remove it, preview. Okay, okay, we have to change this radius size, so 10 mm only. That's fine, that's how you can. So that's it guys, that's for this video. Okay, only thing is we have to make this holes. So I want to show, oh, okay, so let's set dynamic section, set the this plane. Okay, where are planes? Okay, dynamic section, set this plane. Okay, now you can see how can we achieve this. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe guys, and if you want to get updated for these kind of videos and thoughts, so please be subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching, have a good day.